Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen the copy and the view functions in NumPy arrays. And today let's see the where function which is used for searching in NumPy arrays. NumPy module provides a function called where for selecting elements based on a condition. So the syntax for where is we have to give the alias name for NumPy, that is np.where. Then we have to specify a condition, comma x, comma y. If the condition is satisfied, it takes the values from x. And if the condition is not satisfied, it takes the values from y. So condition is a mandatory field, x and y are optional. We can just give the condition without giving x and y. The where function checks for the condition. So basically it checks for the condition. If the condition turns out to be true, then it chooses elements from x. If the condition turns out to be false, then it chooses elements from y. So this is how it works in the where function works. And now if x and y are not given, since it's optional, if we don't give x and y and only the condition is given, then the where function returns the index value of the elements in the input array where the condition is satisfied. So let's look into it practically to know more on these particular concepts. So where function with only one condition. So I'm importing my numpy as np, then I'm creating my array 1 with these elements, and now x is equal to a new array which is equal to np.where, and I'm giving array 1 equal to 40. So it will search in the input array, that is array 1, where 40 is present, and it will return the index value in the tuple format. Here friends, we are giving just the condition. We are not specifying x and y. So what the what Python interpreter returns is, it returns the index values where 40 is present. So 40 is present at index 3, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's present at index 3 and 5. So the output would be 3 and 5. So firstly, we have to import numpy as np. Then we have to create an array 1 equal to np.array. Let me take the same elements 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 40, 60. 50, 40, 60. So here we have created an array. And now my x is equal to np.where, and I'm giving the condition array 1 equal to 40. So we have to basically provide a condition over here for searching in the array 1. So wherever array 1 element is equal to 40, the where function returns the index value. So 40 is present in a two particular index value. One is at 3 and one is at 5. So it will return the value equal to, in a tuple format, it will return the value of the index of the value 40. So now when I run the code, we get in the tuple format array 3, 5. So basically it has returned the index value of the element 40 in array 1. So this was with one single condition. Now let's look into where function with multiple conditions. So for the same array, let me give the condition np.where array 1 greater than 20 and array 1 less than 50. So instead of equal to 40, let me say array 1 greater than 20 and array 1 less than 50. And then let us print our x. So it will return the index values whichever satisfy this particular condition. So now when I run the code, I get the value 2, 3 and 5. So array 1, firstly it will consider 10. 10 is not greater than 20. So it is not considered. Then it will go to 20. 20 greater than 20? No. It will go to 30. 30 is greater than 20? Yes. And is it less than 50? Yes. So it will give the index value for 30 as 2. 40 also satisfy the condition, so it gives 3. 50 is not satisfied because 50 is not less than 50. It is equal to 50. So this condition fails. So 50 is not considered and 40 again is considered and returns the index value of 40 as 5. So basically, when we are giving only the condition in the where function, it will return the index value which satisfies the condition from the input array. So that was what we saw. If x and y are not given and only the condition is given. So if only the condition is given, then the where function returns the index value of the elements in the input array where the condition is satisfied. So hope so friends it was clear for you. So this was with where function with multiple conditions. Now let's see searching in NumPy arrays where function with condition and x and y. So let me consider the same array and here I am giving x equal to np.where. Then the condition is array 1 greater than 20. So it will consider the elements of array 1 greater than 20. If the condition is true, it will take from the x list. And if the condition turns out to be false, it will take from the y list. So the one in red is the condition, the one in blue is the x list, and the one in y is the one in green is the y list. Since x and y are specified, now it no longer gives the index values, but it will give out a new array with new elements. So now friends, array 1 greater than 20. First it will take 10. Is 10 greater than 20? No. So the condition is false. So it will take the value 1 from the y list. So 1 will be printed on the console. Then it will take 20. Is 20 greater than 20? No. So it will take from the y list the second element and prints 2 on the console. Is 30 greater than 20? Yes. The condition turns out to be true. So it takes the third element from the x list, that is C. 40 is also greater, so it will be D. 50 also greater E. 40 again is greater F. 60 again is greater G. So if the condition is true, it will take from blue list, that is X. If the condition is false, it will take from the green list, that is Y. So here let's change our condition and let's give x and y. So over here, if array 1 greater than 20, that is the condition, x is nothing but a, b, c, d, e, f, g. A, b, c, d, e, f, g. So a, b, c, d, e, f, g is our x, comma, y is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Now print our x. So as discussed, as I mentioned, array 1 greater than 20 is the condition. A, B, C, D, E, F, G is x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is y. Now when I run the code, I get my output as 1, 2, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2 is taken from the false list because the condition fails for 10 and 20. C, D, E, F, G is taken from the true list but because the condition turns out to be true for 30, 40, 50, 40 and 60. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. Now let's see the where function with conditions x and y, multiple conditions and x and y. So here I have given just one condition. Now let's look into one more condition. Array 1 greater than 20 and array 1 less than 50. And now, okay, array 1 greater than 20. So which are elements are greater than 20? 30, 40, 50, 40, 60. And what are the elements which are less than 50? That is greater than 20 and less than 50. So it is 30, 40 and again one more 40. So for first element 10, the condition fails. So it takes 1 and gives 1 in the output. For the second element 20, the condition fails. It takes from the false list and prints 2. For the third condition, that condition turns out to be true. That is, it is greater than 20 and less than 50. So it will take C, the third element. C gets printed. And now for 40, also the condition is true. So it prints D. For 50, the condition is false because 50 is not less than 50. So it prints 5 from the false list. For 40 again, the condition is true. So it prints F. 60, the condition is false. So it prints 7. Now let's look into it practically. So we got 1, 2, C, D, 5, F and 7. 30 and 40 are the values taken from the true list, and for all others the values have been taken from the false list. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. The where function, when we give just the condition, then the where function returns the index value of the elements in the input array where the condition is satisfied. And if we give x and y, it will choose the elements from x and y depending on whether the condition is satisfied or not satisfied, and then it creates a new array. Hope so friends, it is clear for you the where function in which is used for searching in NumPy arrays. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to my channel to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.